individual clients and corporate clients. I have also had a stint in politics. In 2007, I ran for Parliament for Kitutu Church North, and 2017, and also in 2022, I ran for the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. In the year 2023, Honorable Speaker, I was appointed to chair the KenGen board, where I've had the opportunity to lead the board and the leadership team in that organization. I provided leadership since that time until I'm still a chair there. So I know that in leadership, you learn to lead organizations. You also have the opportunity to study in that organization. Honorable Speaker, in terms of my suitability to this position, I have had an experience, a large experience, in handling complicated matters in court. I have also had the opportunity to understand what the education docket entails. Honorable Speaker, our Constitution provides under Article 43, under Article 53, and also under Article 55 for provision of education to the children of this country. And the Ministry of Education, under the Basic Act, the Basic Education Act, and also the TVET Act, plus the Universities Act, expands that mandate so that the provisions therein are espoused and has to be undertaken by the Ministry of Education. The role of a CS, Honorable Speaker, is to ensure that those provisions, that mandate, is undertaken by offering leadership in policy and putting the team together so that they achieve the goals in that particular act.
That will do. I will invite the Deputy Speaker to be the first to ask you a question. And we expect, when questions are put, to receive concise and precise answers to those questions.
Mr. Ogamba, as you are well aware, many Kenyans have put in a lot of complaints relating to the competency-based curriculum, complaining about the lack of facilities, training of the teachers or sufficient teachers. If you were confirmed, what would you change? What is your analysis of the situation, and how would you handle it if you were appointed to this position?
Thank you, Madam Deputy, for that question. I have listened to Kenyans on the issue of the CBC. It's a competency-based curriculum that came about in order to replace the 844 system that was there before. The issues that I have identified as a challenge in the Act and as a challenge in the program are three in number. There is a problem of lack of teachers. There is also a problem of the engagement of the parents in that program. There's also the challenge of the infrastructure that is supposed to be available to ensure that the CBC is done properly. In my view, the CBC, the competency-based curriculum, is a good program that came to ensure that the children who are learning get the benefit from their talents. So therefore, what would be done is to ensure that the parents understand what is required for them to be able to assist the children when they are undertaking this CBC.